Good morning. My name is Dr. John Huang from West Chase Wellness Chiropractic Center. We're going to once again demonstrate chiropractic adjustment in my office, so you guys see what we do here to improve people's quality of life and prevent future range of motion, improve the range of motion, prevent future arthritis happening to the spine. Okay, here we go. Awesome. Good. That's good. And we can check your leg length real fast. Your right leg short. Oh boy, that's much better. The leg is even. Let's say here is not bad. Here's a little tight on the right side still. Get that right here for you. Good. 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 Oh, that's a good one. Huh? On your side, man. On your side. Take your side. There you go. Excellent. Perfect. Good. 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 Perfect. I like to call this move a hug move. Hug the spine and adjust the spine. Alright. Good. Oh, that's a good one. Good. 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 Awesome there. Oh, another good one. Another good one. Good cracking there we got here. There we go. Good. You okay?
Yep.
Let's go and get this here. Oh, nice. Oh, that was really, really nice. Good. Your hair is nice. This one. Oh, awesome there. Oh, awesome there. Why strap going here? Perfect. Perfect. Do a little stretch before the thrust. Oh, that's wonderful. He's got a huge release there. I can feel that. This help people take the pressure off the nerve. We're just distracting the spine, take the pressure off the nerve. Get you out of pain when you do that. Like this, good. Feel a little tight here. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Awesome there. Stick the ear to move. Good. Good. Sit it for me. Since your neck didn't move that well, I use my toe to get on the mobility of the neck. There. Good. All right. I'll turn this face the camera real fast and tell how you've been since you've been coming to the office.
Yeah, sure. Hello, everyone. I've been visiting Dr. John for a couple of years now. He's been taking care of me. I've always had pain in my back just due to working in the office, long hours, having bad posture. But every time I come here, himself and his staff always bring me back up to 100%. So really appreciate it, John.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, thank you.